You have seen digital cutting tables.
Robots, picking and placing.
And kit sorting.
Imagine that, fully automated and integrated. Hi, I'm Jens, I'm from Airborne. We invented the automated kitting solution.
And my name is Thomas from Gunnar, and we delivered the digital cutting technology.
With our automated kitting and cutting solution, there's key advances is cost reduction through waste reduction, there's speed increase and volume output increase. So we're super thrilled to bring the automated kitting solution to Stuttgart and show it for the first time to the public. It's a fantastic innovation we did with the partners, fully integrated solution to our clients, so not just separate components, but really integration.
This is going to be the very big goal for us to show the next evolution step in composite automation. We are able to present the solution factor not only concentrating on process time or commercial aspects, we are combining all those aspects into one optimized process. So we see challenging figures in process time, process security, raw material cost optimization, floor space of processes, and now think of a solution that gains all those aspects and covering all those needs that the customers these days have. And this is something that we are able to offer.
Our integrated cutting and kitting solution brings down the cost and increases efficiency of your operation. The cost reduction is mainly from waste reduction. Waste reduction actually at all phases. So it's increasing nesting efficiency by combining all sorts of kits and materials. You can actually maximize your nest and reduce the waste there. It's really new that we are combining all these elements where often there's a lot of manual labor involved, that we're completely removing the manual labor. And by having it also fully digitalized, we know exactly where what is. So we remove the labor and fully automate every step of the process. Come to Composites Europe. We'll be showing you the fully automated kitting solution live and in full motion.
This has never been shown on the planet before.